How I built an entire app with AI. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I did something a little crazy this weekend. I wanted to see if I could build a complete, functional app, entirely with AI. No manual setup, no endless Google searches, just pure AI-powered development. I'm talking from initial scaffolding to deployment. Prompt, code, deploy. That's it. Sounds like magic, right? Well, let's just say it was interesting. I wanted to test the limits, see if AI could truly replace the traditional development workflow. And I learned some seriously valuable lessons along the way. First off, let's talk about the good. AI is ridiculously fast at setup. I asked it to scaffold a React app, set up routing, add authentication, and spin up a NodeJS backend. What would normally take me hours? Done in about 30 minutes. Think about it. Instant scaffolding, routing, authentication. If you already understand these systems, AI becomes an incredible accelerator. It felt like having a coding assistant on steroids. I was flying through the initial stages, but then I started building actual features. That's when the cracks started to show. The AI wasn't perfect, not even close. Components that didn't do what I asked. Logic that was unnecessarily complex. Functions that worked, but were far from optimal. I found myself constantly rewriting and refactoring. And keep in mind, I have experience. Imagine if a complete beginner tried to use this without understanding the fundamentals. The biggest surprise? I spent most of my time reading, optimizing, and rewriting the R's output. It wasn't about generating code. It was about refining it. You still need to know how to write clean, efficient code, spot and fix logic errors, structure components, test rigorously before shipping. These are non-negotiable skills. AI gives you a draft, a starting point. It's never the final product. The human element, the understanding, is crucial. And here's the dangerous truth. If you're a beginner, trusting AI blindly is a capital error. You might get something that looks like it works on the surface, but deep down, your app could be filled with bugs, vulnerabilities, and terrible architecture, and you wouldn't even know it. That's the real risk. You're building on a shaky foundation, and you won't even realize it until it collapses. So, what's the takeaway? AI can accelerate you. It can support your workflow, but it cannot replace your understanding. And it definitely can't think through your product for you. Use it, leverage it, but double check, triple check, and always build like you're responsible, because you are. AI is a powerful tool, but you still need to be the developer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and development. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe to our channel.